Hey guys, Rosie here. Thanks for joining me at my channel, DIY Living, and here's what's coming up. So a couple days ago, I made this face wash with Castile soap, jojoba oil, and tea tree oil. Pretty easy, really easy stuff. The most expensive thing I bought was the container, and that's because I wanted it to be pretty and foamy, and I just wanted the pretty bottle. So basically this components are really easy, really simple to put together. If you stick with me, I will show you how, and also have the measurements and the links to what I got in the description down below. So check it out after the video. So basically, why? Why is this better than store-bought? Well, I'm gonna tell you why. Most store-bought, at least the ones that I've tried, which is, to name a few, Clarisol, I've done Mary Kay also, and I can't think of anything else really. Any other off-brand stuff. Clean and Clear, that was another one I used too. Basically, when you wash your face, it strips, because it's cleaning, and it strips your natural oil. When you have oily skin, I don't care how much it tells you it is for oily skin or combination dry to oily skin, it's still gonna strip your natural oils. So what's your face gonna do in that process? It's going to freak out. Okay, it's literally your little skin cells are gonna be like, I need moisture. I'm gonna nerd out with you guys for a second. From Doctor Who, the moisturize me. Yeah, that's what your skin is doing when you strip the natural oils from it, okay? So that's not good. By the time you put on moisturizer to re-moisturize it, it's freaking out because, hey, it's a foreign moisturizer. It's not even your natural oils. So what's a girl to do? What's a guy to do too? Well, make your own, because at this point you could buy expensive stuff and see how well it works, and it might work really well. I used Mary Kay for a good while, a good year, and then all of a sudden my face was just like, no, I don't like this anymore. I don't know if it's just because I moved to a different state with the weather, maybe, I don't know. So I made this face wash because it has the jojoba oil, which, let me just say, jojoba oil is better than coconut oil for the face. I don't care what all these other DIY face wash and moisturizers, put coconut oil on your face. Don't put coconut oil on your face. Please don't. It'll clog your pores. There might be a few of you out there with really great skin that you don't have to worry about that, and you can put whatever you want on your skin, and your pores are just amazing. But for the rest of us who, let's face it, don't have perfect skin, don't put coconut oil on it. It could clog them. The jojoba oil, I can't say that word. Say that 5 times fast. The jojoba oil, now I'm jojoba oil, is closest to the natural oil of your skin. Another good alternative is sunflower oil and almond oil. That's I would say that's if it causes you to break out for whatever reason. So of course, always test stuff to make sure that you're not allergic to it or it's not going to make you break out. And then the tea tree oil that I put is not always recommended. It's very, very harsh to put directly onto your skin, so you don't want to do that. But if you mix it with something, then it's okay. It's good for treating acne. Any other essential oil for scent or whatever, if you want to do that, you can. Although I'd be careful with putting scent stuff, smelly stuff on your face. It makes me break out. I like this stuff. The tea tree oil, it does smell like tea tree oil. But when you put it on your face and afterwards, I don't walk away permeating tea tree oil. So if you've ever used tea tree oil, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then an oil is going to separate from water, so you just give it a good shake, and then and the foam pump will make it foamy. Obviously you can make it without foam, but where's the fun in that? So I will go ahead and roll the video showing you how I made this creation, and then I'll see you afterwards. So we'll go ahead and roll the tape. Alright guys, that's all I have today. Thanks for joining me at my DIY life. Tune in next time to see what else I'm going to be making. Any suggestions you want to see me try and do and accomplish, go ahead and leave a comment down below with your suggestion and follow me on Instagram. And maybe you'll see that in my next video. So you guys have a wonderful day.